Hi and welcome to Lumi Stitch. My name is Jessica and in today's episode I'm gonna show you two beautiful cross stitch kits that Panda Stitch sent me. This is the box that the pandastitch.com sent me these two beautiful kits and we're gonna unbox it together. I did open it up already because I was didn't want to make too much noise on the camera. So these kits, they come with, right here, they come with Egyptian cotton floss and Painting Fairy prints all of them. And the Painting Fairy does very, very good job. It's the highest quality in the stem cross stitch industry. So I want to tell you that the preview does not do the justice. So this is 1 and 2. And they did send me some extras. Let's get it unpacked. They do also carry Painting Fairy floss. They sent me a sample and they're just exactly like DMC because their Egyptian cotton comes from the same area that DMC harvests their cotton from. And they have computer color matching, so their colors are accurate. Let's take a look at that. And you can also use 5% off right here with my code LUMI5 for anything in their store. So it comes with this little booklet to make and a little pamphlet with all the certification and stuff. They also send me a freebie. So these are like parking threads, beautiful scissors. These are like for your fingers and some needles. And let's take a look at the actual kit. So this is the first one that I picked. Of course, this is just a mock-up. On their website, you can actually see the actual stitched piece, and it's very beautiful. So it comes with the ledger. This kit has 28 colors, but it has a different symbol. So at the end, it shows like 43, but that's not the actual thread color because they also count blends and half a stitch. And in this particular kit, you have a few half a stitches, back stitch, and 1 French knot. And anything right here, you can actually translate it with Google Lens if you have an iPhone, and it will tell you. Usually right here, it will say 2 strands or 1 strand for the back stitch. Let's take a look at the floss. It comes on this beautiful plastic organizer, lavender. Love this color. And these are 28 colors in here for the chicken. It has the little cute bow. This kit is not very big. And it has a lot of edges. So there's my hand. And the stitch count 120 by 120. So I think this one is around 10,000, little over 10,000, maybe 11, 12,000 stitches. And this is the printing. It's very clean and crisp. It's not too stiff. See, if I wrinkle it, it softens up. And as you work on it and when you wash it, this canvas will become soft. The Painting Fairy canvases are good. They're just starched because they have to do the crisp printing. You can see how crisp everything is. Every stitch right in their place. All right, let's move on to the second kit. This is the next kit. It's very beautiful. Like I said, the preview does not do any justice to the actual cross stitch. It has 48 full colors, and there might be some blends or any of that stuff. Let's take a look at the ledger. This is the ledger, and this is 48 full colors. It has back stitch and half stitch. And I also wanted to show you, oh, it actually does have a lot of, I look at page 2, and it has blends. These are the blends. And these two kits are on 14 count Aida. So 48 full colors plus 11 blends. You know that the picture is gonna turn out good when it has blends. And on Ada, it's very easy to stitch with plants. It also has some back stitch. Let's take a look at the actual chart, just a small portion, so you can see the back stitch. There is quite a few back stitch, but it's not like the whole chart. You know, there is a spider's web, and you really needed that to make that beautiful effect. These are the beautiful colors. There is two palettes. One, two, and they're tied with a bow, just like Painting Fairy, because I think Painting Fairy is actually the one that prints them and package them for pandastitch.com. Another high quality kits. And let's take a look at the actual canvas. The canvas is not very big. They have huge edges. I think this right here, probably like 3.5 inches right there. And there is my hand. So this one is a little bigger, maybe by that much than the other kit, but you can see the house here. This is very beautiful kit. It's also 14 count, and the stitch count is actually here on the top. It says 163 by 114. Yeah, 163 stitches by 114. And again, this is the stiffness test. The Ada is nice. So it's not too stiff and it will wash out. And I suggest washing it before doing the back stitch so your back stitch comes out nicely and it does not sag, because this is a 100% cotton Ada and it will shrink when you wash. And I'm gonna link this kit down below in the description box and also right here QR code. If you liked my content, please subscribe, like, and share this video so I can reach more people. And don't forget to use the code LUMI5 to get additional 5% off. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!